Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this informative and game-changing video, we unveil the secret of effortlessly organize your little one's clothes with our revolutionary folding tips. Say goodbye to messy drawers and closet, and hello to a neat and ordinary wardrobe for your kids. Our step-by-step guide will teach you the most effective technique for folding different type of children's clothes, making it an enjoyable experience for both you and your child. Discover the art of folding clothes in a way that saves space, more optimize storage, and maintains the quality of the garment. We understand that as parents, time is of the essence, so our expert tips will not only make the process efficient but also fun. Watch as we demonstrate innovative folding techniques that are easy to follow and require minimal efforts. And by implementing this strategy, you can create a visual appealing and well organized space for your child clothes, making it easier for them to select their outfits independently and fostering their sense of responsibility. Additionally, an organized wardrobe can save precious minutes during busy mornings, ensuring a smooth start to the day for your entire family. Join us now and unlock the secret of our folding magic. Revolutionize the way you organize your kids' clothes and transform your home into a clutter-free haven. Don't miss out on these game-changing tips. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to stay updated with our latest video on home organizing and tips and tricks, guys. So till then, bye, take care guys, enjoy this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks. Take care.